The default workspace for Photoshop is Essential. We're going to create one for the class. Click, hold, and drag Learn out, close. Click, hold, and drag Libraries out and close. Window, Brushes, Expand. Click, hold, and drag Color, Pattern, close. Gradient, close. Swatches, close. Click, hold, and drag Property, dock it here. Adjustment out, close. Window, Info. Click, hold, and drag the info down. Window, Character. Click, hold, and drag the character down here. New workspace, class, save.